Are you looking for the best biscuit joiners in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best biscuit joiners that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the DeWALT DW682K Heavy Duty Plate Joiner Kit. The DeWALT DW682K Heavy Duty Plate Joiner Kit is a dependable and affordable biscuit joiner that gets the job done. It has preset depth stops for standard biscuit sizes, and retractable pins hold the tool in place with anti-slip technology. The dual rack and pinion fence is designed to keep the blade and fence parallel at all times. It's a lightweight tool and includes a dust bag and kit box. One reviewer purchased this biscuit joiner when their daughter asked for some tables. The joiner is easy to master, and using the DeWALT biscuits, it secures boards together with ease. Another customer used this tool for a 2,000 square foot hardwood deck with hidden fasteners. I used this plate joiner to slot the tropical hardwood for the hidden fasteners, and it held up solid to the task. Up next in the 4th place is the Porter Cable Plate Joiner Kit. Not all biscuit joiners can cut every biscuit type, which can eventually cause an issue. The Porter Cable Plate Joiner Kit has 7 position depth stops, including the most common biscuit sizes. The adjustable fence tilts between 0 degree and 135 degree, with a stop at 90 degree. The spindle lock makes it easy to change between the 2-inch and 4-inch blades. The lock-on trigger maintains stability while the tool is in use. It also includes a centering plate and chip deflector. One customer has owned this biscuit joiner for around 15 years. They weren't sure initially how much they would actually use it, but they made the investment and do not regret it. They called it a well-built tool and worth the cost. Another reviewer purchased this tool specifically for face frame biscuits, since their DeWALT model doesn't have that option. If I had to choose only one joiner, it would be the Porter Cable, they wrote. The 3rd product on our list is the RYOBI 6-amp corded AC biscuit joiner kit. For professionals or DIers who are new to biscuit joining, the RYOBI 6-amp corded AC biscuit joiner kit is an affordable and convenient tool. It cuts angles from 0 degree to 135 degree, with depth adjustments for the most common biscuit sizes. It has accurate metal fences, as well as rack and pinion adjustment. Unlike most biscuit joiners, the RYOBI biscuit joiner has an ergonomic D-shaped handle for added comfort. The kit comes with a dust bag, storage bag, and biscuits. One reviewer bought this tool as a gift for their son, who called it the greatest thing ever. Works like a champ, and gives him the tool to add strength and stability to his woodworking projects. He liked the smooth action and the ease of use. After months of regular use, he had no issues. Another reviewer with 39 years of carpentry experience recently purchased their first biscuit joiner. The RYOBI worked great for them. Second on our list is the DeWALT 20V Max XR biscuit joiner. For some, having a cord in the way can be frustrating while trying to work. The DeWALT 20V Max XR biscuit joiner is a cordless tool running on the DeWALT FlexVolt battery. The brushless motor gives a consistent cutting performance for common biscuit sizes. An easy-use knob allows for quick and simple depth selection. The 2-step paddle switch trigger works for both left and right hands, offering added safety and ergonomic comfort. One customer called this tool strong, powerful, and with a great design. They liked the tool's price point as well. The reviewer enjoyed how simple the tool is to use, even one-handed if there's a need to stabilize the piece being worked on. The cutting edge height is easy to adjust, and the biscuit size dial is accurate and very easy to use. They also appreciated the FlexVolt battery, giving strong power without dealing with a cord. Finally, the top product on our list is the Lamello 7.5 amp Classic X biscuit joiner. Described as a workhorse, the Lamello 7.5 amp Classic X biscuit joiner comes from the original inventor of the biscuit joining system. The tool provides good precision, even at high speeds. The disc-shaped blade is proven to ensure precise cuts, even in the case of knots. It also works faster than a regular routing bit. The kit comes with a carbide-tipped cutter, a 4mm spacer, a stopped square, a suction stub, and a set of tools. "This is a solid machine. It's the only one we use at our cabinet shop," wrote one reviewer. "They've tried cheaper models in the shop," the reviewer explained, "but they always break or lose their alignment." The Lamello, on the other hand, has fewer moving parts. According to the reviewer, the last Lamello the shop purchased lasted 30 years. Another customer simply noted that the tool is extremely accurate and very powerful. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.